Welcome back to Andy's Guide. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to show archive of projects here in Asana. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Asana, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, showing archive projects in Asana is a straightforward process that would allow people, collaborators, or teams to review past projects and reflect on what went well and what could be improved. I find it very valuable for continuous improvement and avoiding past mistakes. Now, once you are here on the homepage of your Asana, just go to the projects that you wanted to or archive, for example. Now here, basically, there's going to be an option in the left side panel of your projects where you can click on the archive project. All right. Now, archive projects serves as a record of completed work, providing documentation that can be referenced for historical context, reporting, or compliance purposes. Sometimes projects that were previously on hold or considered complete may need to be revived because, it allows teams to quickly access and reactivate them, saving time and effort instead of creating new project from scratch. Now, just select the project that I want to archive. For example, this one, I'm going to click on the archive project. You see, has marked as archive. And for you to be able to do that, all you're gonna do is really simple. Now, once you have archived a specific project, I need you to go to the home page. All right. Now, you should be able to see the archive projects just beneath the team right here. You see that one? This is going to be the archive projects. This is the project that was archived early. I rename it how to show archives of projects, and that's where you're going to see your archive projects. So let me do that again. Okay, so archive for this project, and you would be able to see it here. All right, see that one? Now, if in case you encounter any problems archiving a specific project here on Asana, that could mean something like the site is down or you're encountering a bug. You might want to go here in the upper right corner to go for help. This is the official Asana support center, wherein if you get a hold of one of the support staff, tell them you are having problems archiving or showing the archive projects here on your account. All right, it could be that the site is down or there's a bug that's giving you error, and they will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to potentially fix the problem. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.